Lords, if your lordships can consider indicating, my lord, the concerns which your lordships would like us to assist.
Mr. Solicitor, Mr. Sybil is appearing for the state of West.
Your Lordship, with Mr. Sibil, in this matter, Your Lordship, I'm also assisting Your
I'm
Lordship.
appearing for the Delhi Medical Association, but we have filed an application.
State of West Bengal is represented by Mr. Sybil.
Yes, Mona.
I appear for
I'm appearing
Indian.
for the Bengal Doctors, the Association of Bengal.
But I am appearing for the original writ petitioner on.
Your Lordship, I'm,
Order the CBI was done.
my Lord,
Manoj,
I'm
I'm
appearing
from
on
National
behalf of the
Association,
petitioner.
Federation of Residents
Number of
Doctors.
interveners.
Yes,
Please,
Lord.
it's not
Have
appearing on
calling
behalf of
out
the
our-
petitioner.
calling out who they are appearing for. We'd only request the interveners to give a slip of paper to the court master indicating who you are appearing for. We'll take that.
We'll give it, my lord.
My number.
Otherwise, we'll spend the next 10 minutes and only,
I am appearing for the Indian Medical Association. We'll give our slip, my lord.
And my lord, I am for the writ petitioner at whose behest the investigation was transferred to CBI.
Right. But the reason why, I must make it clear, the reason why we decided to take suo motu cognizance, we are conscious of the fact that the High Court was entertaining a petition which was filed by the petitioners who are here before us, is because this is really now not just a matter relating to a particular murder which takes place in a hospital in Kolkata, which is horrific in the nature of the crime, but it raises systemic issues in regard to the safety of doctors.
My lord, two more incidents, one in Bombay and one in Ahmedabad after Calcutta.
Let the Chief Justice, please.
Because this deals with the systemic issue of safety of doctors across India.
Yes.
There are a couple of things, Ms. Sybil, before we deal with the broader aspects of safety and what we propose to do, we'll tell you in a
I have something to assist on that, my lord, neutrally.
briefly on both aspects. First, on matters of safety, we are deeply concerned about the fact that there is a virtual absence of safe conditions of work for young doctors across the country, particularly in public hospitals. As we know, these are all young interns, they are residents, senior residents, doctors, and most importantly, women doctors
Yes.
who are subject to of graver dangers and vulnerability
Yeah, vulnerable. my lord.
by virtue of the nature of their occupation
Absolutely.
because of gender.
Working hours.
Just and working hours. Most of the young doctors have to put in somewhere.
36 hours,
36
my lord,
hours.
as such.
We find that there are no duty rooms available, no separate restrooms or duty rooms available for men and women doctors, for the other nursing staff, for the paramedical staff who are also on duty. And therefore, we must evolve a national consensus to ensure that there must be a standard national protocol to ensure that safe conditions of work are provided. This is not a matter of providing protection either to women or protection to doctors in general. It's a matter of creating safe conditions of work so that they ultimately, what is equality under the Constitution all about? If women cannot go to a place of work and be safe, then we are denying them the basic conditions of equality. And therefore, we are entertaining this, and I'll very shortly share the way we want to proceed with this to ensure that ultimately, it's not that every time that there is a rape or murder that the conscience of the nation is awakened. We have to do something right here and now to ensure that these conditions of safety are maintained in terms of protocols which will not just be on paper, but protocols which will be enforced across India. Now, insofar as what happened in Kolkata is concerned, Mr. Sybil, couple of things from what we have. Of course, first, let me begin by saying that we are deeply concerned of the fact that the name of the deceased who was assaulted and murdered, the name has been published all over the media. Photographs have been published all over the media.
Correct.
Should never.
Video clips, obviously, either before or after the postmortem, have been published.
Right.
Showing her body, after she was subjected to it. It's extremely concerning. We are the first to recognize the right to free speech, but there are well-settled
It
parameters
is extremely painful. I agree entirely with you.
which have been laid down in now the new criminal the new criminal procedure code by judgments of our court in Nipun Saxena, that you will not publish the names of the survivors of sexual assault. In this
Correct.
case, the
It's a
person.
criminal offense.
We have filed 50 FIRs on that count.
What is
50
that?
FIRs.
Not- And it was circulated, nobody should publish.
Well, may I just
Identity.
inform your lordships, before the police reached, photos were taken and these were circulated. We didn't allow anything to happen. We cordoned off the area.
This is the way we provide dignity and
It's
respect
terrible.
the
It's
privacy
terrible.
of an individual who has lost her life as a
Yeah.
young doctor.
Yes.
But apart from that, Ms. Isabel, I'm happy that you are here for the state of West Bengal. Couple of quite a few aspects of the way
Sure.
the matter proceeded. It appears that the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning.
Yes.
No, in the evening.
After the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal of the hospital tries to pass this off as a suicide.
Not true, not true, not
Her
true.
parents are not allowed to see the body. The parents are not allowed to see the body
For
for almost.
No, Malak, this is, I'm sorry. Anyway, Malak, this is
Not
the
that
impression.
our
We'll have to-
investigation
we'll have
also
to,
corrupt.
we'll have to place the facts before your lordships. We have investigated.